Once you have a Figma team set up, whether it be a free team or a paid team, you can start to add projects. So that's what we're going to do next. So with a team created, come up here to create a project and click on that. It's going to create a project for us. And we'll just call this hiking app. Oops, keep doing that. And if you look down here, we can set permissions. We are the admin for this, so we can set permissions here and say everyone can edit, everyone can view. Invite only, let me choose who has access. That's a little more granular level, and that's actually really cool. Right now, I've only got one person beside myself who's on the team, so I'll say everyone can edit. Click Create Project, and we've got our project. Now, we need to add files or a file to this project. A project is essentially a collection of files, which is a great way to keep all of these associated things together. You can, if you look down here, drag and drop different things in here, JPEG, PNG, or sketch files. You can import, or you can create a brand new file if you want to start from scratch. We're going to import something that I've created. So click up here, Import File. Come to the Exercise Files folder, the O5 Teams folder, and open up the appdesign.fig file. It might take a minute to import it. All right, now that it's been imported, you can click Done, and you'll see that we've got the file there. Now we can, like I said, keep adding files here, and as soon as we start adding files to this project for this team, everybody else can see them. So let me show you what I mean. Now I've switched over to another browser, and I am the other person that I've invited, and you can see that immediately I see Hiking App right here. So this is a project that was added. So if I click on that, you're going to see, oh, there it is. Okay, cool. And I'm also going to see a notification up here. Click in the upper right, there's a notification. And it'll say, Brian made you an editor of the Team Our app. So this is where we're going to go if we're starting to do different things, starting to change roles, etc. You're going to see these notifications up here, which is really great. Now, as somebody who didn't create this, I'm looking at this, somebody else created this and added this file to this project. If I want to see this over here now, you're going to see add a project to your favorites to see it here. You can click on this little star in the upper right corner to add it to your favorites. That way it will show over here. But if you always go back to our app, for instance, you should see the different projects within. All right, I'm going to switch back over to myself and open up this file within the Hiking App project. So double click. Now that we have a free team set up and we've created a project with a file inside, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about creating a shared library.